Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall WinRAR and remove registry leftovers, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open the control panel on your computer. Click on Programs and then select Programs and Features. In the list of installed programs, locate WinRAR. Right-click on WinRAR and choose Uninstall. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation process. Once WinRAR is removed, close the control panel. Next, press the Windows key and the R key together to open the Run dialog box. Type regedit and hit Enter to open the registry editor. Before making any changes, it's wise to back up the registry. To back up, click on File in the top menu and select Export. Choose a location, name the backup file, and ensure all is selected. Click Save to create the backup. Now, navigate to the following path, hkui_current_user/software. Look for a folder named WinRAR. Right-click on the WinRAR folder and select Delete. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Next, navigate to hkui_local_machine/software. Again, look for a folder named WinRAR. Right-click and delete this folder as well. Now, check for any leftover files in the installation directory. Open File Explorer and go to the default installation path, typically C:\program files\WinRAR. If you find the WinRAR folder there, right-click and select Delete. Finally, empty your recycle bin to ensure complete removal. You have now successfully uninstalled WinRAR and removed its registry leftovers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.